Hello everyone, Mustafa Ahmad is here, and today I will walk you through the process of creating this stunning crisp flow into melted chocolate, board over ice cream effect in 3ds Max using TyFlow and Phoenix FD. Let's dive in. So before we dive in, I want to thank you all for your patience. I know many of you have been waiting for this tutorial, and I've been busy with work, but now I'm finally here to break it all down for you. So let's get started. Let's start by setting up the scene. I quickly created this ice cream by starting with a simple box, applying chamfer modifier to smooth the edges, and then adding turbo smooth modifier for more organic look. As for the stick, I used a simple line, converted into a shape, and refined it using edit poly. And like that, we have our basic ice cream model. And now let's set up our Phoenix liquid simulation. First, we have to create our emitter. So let's draw a rectangle and smooth the corners. Apply an extrude modifier and convert it into an edit poly. Assign material ID 1 to all polygons except the bottom one, which should have ID 3 or more as you like. Rotate it in 45 degree. Animate it by making a smooth looping motion where it moves back and forth, simulating a natural boring motion. And now our emitter is ready. Next, let's add a Phoenix liquid source. Pick our emitter and set the polygon ID to 3 or whatever you choose before. Then, create a Phoenix liquid simulation grid and adjust the following parameters like that. For the grid, go to voxel size and make it something like 0.64 centimeter. And let's go to dynamics. For steps per frame have to be 2. For default viscosity have to be 0.65. For the surface tension, let's make the strength to 1. Enable wetting and set sticky liquid to 0.6. With this setting in place, we are ready to simulate our liquid flow. So click Start and let Phoenix FD do its own work. Now let's move on to TyFlow and the crispy particles. After completing the Phoenix simulation, we will start setting up TyFlow. First, add
First fluid operator.
and pick our liquid simulator grid. Set the start frame a few frames after liquid starts emitting. In my case, it is frame 10. Scroll down to the grid particle section. Check liquid and set the value to something like 0.2 to 0.3%. Add fluid force operator and pick our liquid simulator grid. Scroll down to the grid particle section. Check liquid. Now add shape operator and choose the crispy shape you prefer. I will use the built-in chunks. Now add scale and adjust the size as you like. For me, it is 500. Add rotation operator to add variation to the crispy pieces. Finally, add mesh operator to convert the particles into geometry and enable rendering. And there you have it, a realistic crisp flow into melted chocolate effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share your result. Keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.